All right, we're out here in Powder Springs, Georgia, helping out Mr. Shelton with the assessment repair. We have our assessment shingle here in blue, as you can see the wind crease there. We have our adjacent shingles in yellow. We'll be using the roof snake required by all the bigger insurances to take the nails out, pop the shingle out, put it right back in, and show before and after. Be nice and gentle here. Under it here.
Might just slide out now.
Pull through. Nope.
The high nails?
Yeah, it's really high.
So just so you guys can see, where is it?
Right up there. Yeah, I mean,
Nails, high nails.
try to get under it.
There you go. Oh, what the heck? Let me see. So the nail, you guys are wondering why we had to go so high. The nail broke in half. That's the top of the nail.
Alrighty, so we already see some hinging here on shingle 3, right across the top there, pretty significant, and on shingle 5 here, as we can see at the top of here. But kind of shadow it in a little bit for you guys to see there.
Wow, cool. We'll put it back in, we'll get photos.
Right back in.
Almost slipped right on that shingle. It broke in half?
Yeah, dude. Crazy. There we go. Alrighty, so we got failure on shingle 3 here, failure on shingle 5. We'll go ahead and get before and afters here. We can see edging at the top.